Let's face it, for a long time, making money from natural resources felt like something reserved for corporations or high-level investors. Most people assumed it was either too complicated, too risky, or simply out of reach. But what if you could earn steady monthly income without financial expertise, without large investments, and without having to monitor the markets? Click the link in the description to get started with TeonGas, a new Irish platform that's giving everyday people a direct path to earning from national energy resources. TeonGas offers something different. At the core, it provides guaranteed monthly payments through a state-supported energy rewards program. At the same time, it opens the door to AI-powered trading in global commodities like oil, gas, and even cryptocurrencies, all managed from one simple, intuitive platform. Here's the key idea. If your country generates valuable natural energy, you should have a share in the benefits. For too long, oil and gas profits have stayed in the hands of corporations or within government-controlled sectors. TeonGas is changing that, giving Irish residents a clear, accessible way to receive real income based on their country's energy production. Right now, users are earning €300 per month, guaranteed. No trading experience, no complicated steps, and no high-risk requirements. Once you register, using the official link in the description, the platform handles the rest. Income is processed automatically, and if you want to go further, you can activate AI-based tools to explore additional trading opportunities. You don't need to know anything about trading to start. The platform provides everything you need: clear market data, personal support, and intelligent automation that makes smart decisions on your behalf. This is about giving people fair access to financial systems and making those systems work for them. More and more Irish users are joining TeonGas every day, choosing a smarter way to earn while living their normal lives. Whether you're working full-time, studying, or looking for passive income, this platform allows you to earn in the background. So if you've been waiting for something that's simple, effective, and built for Irish citizens, now is the time to act. Click the link in the description, register in under a minute, and start receiving your guaranteed monthly payment. You can explore more features anytime you're ready. This is your chance to benefit from Ireland's energy. And finally, access a system that rewards you directly. Join the thousands already earning with TeonGas. Click the link now and start today.